name is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. So as if you can't tell by the title of the video, today we are going to do a Fenty foundation, something quick, something simple. I have two Fenty powders. One I received for free and the other one I purchased, and I will leave an iCard above of the original video so you guys can see that in comparison to a MAC foundation. But today I am going to use Fenty 400 and this new soft matte foundation all over, and then I went in here on the cheeks with the Fenty 445. It's literally just that simple, showing you how I use two colors to get my base. And that's it, girl. It's pretty simple. I'm not going to do too much talking, so let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the Fenty Soft Silk Pro Filter and the Hydrating Primer. That is this cute little baby here. So I'm going to do several pumps of this, and I'm just going to apply it with my hands. I found that this works really well with this Fenty powder. And I already have my eyebrows and eye makeup and mascara on, but that is it. Alright, so I'm going to let this kind of set down on my face, and I will come back once it's set and we'll get on to the foundation. Alright, so I am going to go in with my all over foundation, and this is 400. And then for my contour slash bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder in 445. I'm going to show you guys this one. I was actually sent this one after I purchased that first one. I was actually sent this one via Influencer in Fenty, and I also was sent this Fenty lip balm in the color Fenty Glow. So we'll be using both of these. Real Techniques brush. This is the buffing brush. I forgot this actually has a mirror. So I'm looking down in my little mirror here just so I can see how it goes on, but I'm gonna go in with this one. I really like this one because it's super light. I'm not sure how it's gonna do. It'll do well in the spring, but for people with oily skin, I think this will be better as like a finishing powder. I think I have enough. I'm just gonna do a light coverage of my face. It always looks a little orange on camera. I'm gonna go in with 445, and this, as you can tell, I haven't used this that much, but I'm going to go in to contour slash sort of bronze, and I'm going to use the Real Techniques sculpting brush and just pat it in. Let's make sure I get enough on my brush. Ooh, I got too much. If you can see, it's like slightly darker. Not extremely darker, but it is slightly more chocolatey on my skin, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. So it kind of gives that contour look. Nice contour. I did too much. I did too much. And I'm going to go back and buff this out. So don't worry. It looks really harsh on camera, but I'll fix it for you guys. And this also looks good as an eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys have used these for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used my original foundation and kind of just buff around it to blend it out. Not take it away, but kind of just mix it in a little bit with the foundation. Take a picture for you guys. And let me see if I turn the light down. Okay, I think that's actually better right there. So this is better lighting, so you guys can see. The 400 looks so good. And then I'm just trying to buff out some of this 445 because I put too much on. So this is all I'm going to do for today. And then last but not least, I'm not even going to put any lip liner on. Usually I'd put like a pink lip liner under it, but girl, it's no need because I really like this. It literally just is a nice gloss to make my natural lip color peek through, you know? So this is the face. Alright guys, so first I want to apologize for the lighting. When I was putting on the foundation, I realized it was a little too light. I'm not used to doing artificial lights. Ugh, it's so annoying, but like I said, it's cloudy today. So anywho, I really enjoyed this Fenty foundation. I didn't do blush today, but a nice Fenty highlighter would be pretty with this too, but it kind of looks like I already have on highlighter and I don't. If you guys are in the need of a new foundation, definitely try the Fenty Pro Filter foundations. It makes your skin look flawless, sis. It does, okay? I'm gonna zoom in. I will leave all the details on my blog. I will leave a link to the blog post in the description box, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to thumbs up this video. I have my Instagram in the description, as well as I need your guys' help to get to 5,000 subscribers, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!